What if I told you you don't have to read books to make more money? You can actually make millions of dollars without even reading a book. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to teach you how books can make you more money even if you don't read them. How many of you guys read at least one book a year? If you read at least one book a year, leave a comment below with yes. If you don't, leave a comment with no. I'm not here to judge, I'm just curious. Because either way, whether you read them or not, you're going to be able to make more money once you finish watching this video. And here's the thing with me. I don't read a ton of books. I read a ton of articles online, but that doesn't even matter at all. This strategy will just help you make more money by leveraging books. Before we go into it, I want to talk to you about a marketer named Frank Kern. You may have seen his ads on YouTube or Facebook. Frank breaks down how you can get a free book if you just pay for shipping. His book isn't even tangible. It's an electronic book. And when he does that, yeah, he's paying sometimes $10, $20 to get that conversion, and he's only charging, let's say, $7 for shipping, but he's still making millions of dollars in profit, and I'm gonna teach you how to replicate that. The first thing you have to do is write a book. If you don't write a book, there's no offer for you to give, and that book needs to be related to any product or service that you already sell. If you don't have time to write a book, you can always hire a ghostwriter. Or another strategy that you can do that I've seen companies leverage is they'll white label other people's books. In other words, they're buying the rights to it. And they're not buying popular ones, they're just taking other people's ebooks that aren't as popular and they're buying the rights to it and changing out the name. I myself enjoy writing them myself, but if you're a bit lazy and you don't want to do that, you can leverage other strategies. Second thing you need to do is don't print a book. Printing books are very expensive. You don't want to have all the storage costs and actually have to pay for shipping. Make digital ebooks. And as well, pay someone to read the book, or you can do it yourself and create an audio version of it. That way people can get the books on tape version of it for free, of course. Third, I want you to drive people to a landing page that has this free book that's gonna help them out in whatever service or product that you have. And this book should, of course, be related to it. For example, I'm a marketer. I help companies get more traffic. So my book could be on cutting edge techniques that'll teach you how to double your traffic in 60 days. And by giving away that book as well as the audio version for free in that landing page, all they have to do is pay for handling. They'll end up getting that book. And when they get that book as well as the audio file, they won't have issues because they're not paying for shipping, but they're just paying $3 for handling and downloading the files and the server costs, which people will have no issues with. And then the next thing you have to do is upon checkout, offer a checkout bump. A checkout bump is a little simple tick box. It's an irresistible offer before the buy button that allows people to spend more money with you. So for example, my ebook was on crazy ways to double your search traffic within 60 days or whatever it's called. My checkout bump could be a tool that helps you get the results faster for a one-time fee of $20 or $50. Some people will take you up on the offer, not everyone. Then I want you to offer upsells and downsells. Once people buy and they're already in the flow, get them to buy more from you. Whether they take the checkout bump or not, you can upsell services, other products. By having more upsells and downsells, and ideally 3, you'll be able to squeeze more revenue out of each and every single visitor. That's how you get it profitable, because if you're spending $10, $20 for every single customer, you need more offers in your funnel to make it profitable. And you can use tools like ClickFunnels and Samcart to make this all doable for you, so that way, if you don't know how to program these upsells and downsells, you don't have to end up worrying about that. What I want you to do next is, for all the people who buy the product, including the upsells and downsells, through email, sell them more products and services. For all the people who don't buy the upsells and downsells, through email, sell them the upsells and downsells all over again, but using different copy. If your pitches for the upsells and downsells were using a logical pitch, then your email copy should be an emotional pitch if they never took that offer. So that's it. If you copy that model, that's how people like Frank Kern scaled it up and started making, kid you not, well over $1 million a year in profit from books. And best of all, you don't have to read them to make the money. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And of course, if you need help with your own marketing, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital.